WhatsApp channels are a one-way broadcast tool that allows admins to share text, photos, videos, stickers, and polls with their followers. Followers can't reply directly to updates or send messages to channel admins. Instead, they can show their interest in a channel's content by voting on polls or adding emoji reactions to channel updates. WhatsApp channels are a private way for people to receive updates that matter to them, right within WhatsApp. Who you choose to follow is your choice and it's private. To join a WhatsApp channel, you need to be invited by the channel admin. You can receive an invite link in a chat, email, or online. Once you have the invite link, tap on it to join the channel. To create a WhatsApp channel, you need to have a WhatsApp business account. Once you have a WhatsApp business account, follow these steps. Open WhatsApp and go to the Updates tab. Tap the plus button and select New Channel. Tap Get Started and accept updates to the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy to continue. Add a channel name and description. Tap Create Channel. Once you've created a WhatsApp channel, you can start sharing updates with your followers. To share an update, tap the plus button in the channel chat and select the type of update you want to share. WhatsApp channels are a great way to stay informed and engaged with people and organizations of your choice. You can follow channels for news, sports, entertainment, education, and more. Here are some examples of how WhatsApp channels are being used. A news organization can use a WhatsApp channel to share breaking news stories and updates with its followers. A sports team can use a WhatsApp channel to share game schedules, scores, and highlights with its fans. A business can use a WhatsApp channel to share product announcements, promotions, and customer support updates with its customers. A school can use a WhatsApp channel to share homework assignments, class announcements, and other important information with students and parents. A community organization can use a WhatsApp channel to share event announcements, volunteer opportunities, and other important information with its members. WhatsApp channels are still a new feature, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way people communicate with each other and stay informed. Here are some ways to earn money from WhatsApp channels. Sponsored posts. You can partner with brands to create and share sponsored posts with your audience. Brands may pay you a flat fee or a commission on any sales that are generated from your posts. Affiliate marketing. You can promote affiliate products and services in your WhatsApp channel. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you will earn a commission. Membership fees. You can charge your followers a monthly or annual membership fee to access exclusive content or features in your WhatsApp channel. Sell digital products. You can sell digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or templates, in your WhatsApp channel. Online events. You can host online events, such as webinars or workshops, in your WhatsApp channel and charge your followers to attend. To be successful at earning money from WhatsApp channels, you need to build a large and engaged audience. You can do this by creating high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience and by promoting your channel on other social media platforms. Here are some additional tips for earning money from WhatsApp channels. Choose a niche. It's important to choose a niche for your WhatsApp channel so that you can attract a targeted audience. For example, you could create a channel about parenting, fitness, or travel. Create high-quality content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and visually appealing. Use high-quality images and videos to make your updates more visually appealing. Promote your channel. Promote your channel on other social media platforms and in your email signature. You can also reach out to other WhatsApp channels in your niche and cross-promote each other's channels. Be patient. It takes time to build a large and engaged audience. Don't get discouraged if you don't start seeing results immediately. Just keep creating great content and promoting your channel. Once you have built a large and engaged audience, you can start exploring different ways to monetize your WhatsApp channel. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you and your audience.